What's good, fam? Welcome to Tito's Kitchen. In today's video, I got a nice one for you. We're doing stuffed shells with meat sauce from scratch. A nice, hearty, hefty, fulfilling meal. I mean, I love it. So I'm gonna dive right into it, for sure. Okay, we have a few ingredients. We're gonna have 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, a box of jumbo shells. We're gonna go with about 1/3 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley, and a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now, one thing, when I boil my shells, I'm gonna be using beef stock. Now, you don't have to do this. You can do your own style, but me, I boil it with beef stock just to add that extra little touch of flavor. Some people said it doesn't make a difference. I think it does. I like the flavor, so I'm gonna go with it like that. Also, the meat sauce we're gonna be using for this recipe is made from scratch. I actually have another video on how to make this meat sauce, which of course you can put on anything from lasagna to spaghetti. I mean, however you wanna do it. But the meat sauce is from scratch, so we're gonna use that meat sauce to sauce up these shells. And it's gonna be nice cheesy, ooey gooey. You already know. So let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna start off by boiling our jumbo shells. I'm gonna pour both containers of beef stock in. I'm also gonna add 3 cups of water to this. Sprinkle in a little bit of salt. Bring it to a boil and we're gonna drop our shells in. Once it returns to a boil, we're going to boil it for about 8 minutes. We're going to drop our shells in an ice bath just so they stop cooking. The shells will finish cooking in the oven once we stuff them and add the sauce. We're going to drain those shells and put them to the side. Time to work on our ricotta cheese mix. Going to add in our ricotta cheese. Then we're going to add half of the shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to save the other half to top the shells. Put in your parsley. We're going to save a little bit to garnish it. Add in your shredded Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, your egg, and mix it up really nice. Go ahead and grab a tray. And we're going to add in our meat sauce. I like to put a lot of the meat sauce in just to make sure those shells absorb the moisture and cook all the way. Spread it around evenly. You can do this different ways. Some people use a little scoop. I like to use a spoon. I just get the shell, kind of like prop it open, slide the cheese right in there. Now, I gotta keep it real. Sometimes this part can get a little messy, but it's worth it. Once you stuff all the shells, we're gonna sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top. Go ahead and get some non-stick spray and spray a piece of aluminum foil and lay on top so the cheese won't stick to it. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Place it in there. And we're going to set the timer for 30 minutes. We're going to take the foil off and we're going to put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes so the cheese can start to brown on the top. You can also put it under the broiler, but make sure you watch it not to burn it. Once we take it out, garnish it with a little parsley. And this is nothing but deliciousness right here. Whew. It's just that easy, stuffed shells. We're gonna test this out real quick. Yeah.
All right, stuffed shells with meat sauce. Time for the taste test. Let's see what it tastes like. This is delicious. This is delicious. This is a perfect blend. Simple meal. I mean, comfort food. You have the richness from the ricotta cheese and the mozzarella cheese. You have a little freshness from the parsley. You have the heartiness from the meat sauce, and the shell just brings it all together. This is delicious. Like I said, it's not that hard to make. You can check my meat sauce video out as well, and that goes on a numerous variety of things. So try it out. Let me know how it came out in the comments below. And till the next time, peace.